This is the H2 Nano version 2, an all-new hydrogen water generator available at hydrogen4health.com, an upgraded model from our version 1 Nano. The H2 Nano is available in two colors. We have our blue color and our silver color. Let's start them up and take a look. You can see now that hydrogen is being put into the water. There is also a display that counts down the time. You can run this bottle in a 5 and 10 minute option. There's the 10-minute option. The water capacity of this bottle is 230 milliliters, but what's really neat about this new Nano is that you can attach larger bottles to it. The Evian brand drinking water bottle will attach to the Nano. You can get them in 330 milliliter, 500 milliliter, and 1000 milliliter. Let me show you how they attach. The upper portion of the H2 Nano is easily detached from the base. Simply turn it over. Counterclockwise will detach the base. Now take your Evian bottle, take the cap off, and simply screw the base to the Evian bottle. Turn it over and turn it on. You can see a large amount of hydrogen is now being put into the water. Why did we upgrade the H2 Nano? There are a few reasons why we did. Number one, we want to bring the best hydrogen water generator on the market to you. The original H2 Nano is a great hydrogen water generator. It put large amounts of hydrogen into the water and was able to achieve a high ppm. As you can see, the button on the generator is different than the button on the version 2 Nano. This button here, in order to operate it, you have to tap it. So to turn it on, you'd have to tap it twice. And to turn it off, you hold it. A lot of our customers were having issues with turning on the generator. They push the button and nothing would happen. They try and tap it, they couldn't get it to work. It takes an immediate tap in order for it to work. So that was a disadvantage for a lot of our customers. So what we did is we went to a push button that is easily turned on and off. You simply just push the button to get it started. So that was the number one reason why we have upgraded. The second reason is the membrane in the new H2 Nano version 2 is more forgiving than the original Nano. With this hydrogen water generator, if you let the membrane dry out, meaning you didn't store any water in it, it wouldn't generate any hydrogen and you would have to soak the membrane for 24 to 48 hours for it to start working again. Also, if you left water in your bottle, the membrane would become oversaturated, meaning when you started it up, it wouldn't generate that many bubbles. With the Nano version 2, the membrane is more forgiving. If you let it dry out, it only takes a few hours to rehydrate and get it back to optimal performance. If you leave water in it, the membrane doesn't become oversaturated. You simply run it a couple times to get it back to optimal performance. And the third reason why is the timer display. It counts down your time so you'll know when your water is going to be done. The Nano version 2, just like the original Nano, is capable of generating high ppms above 3.0. You can find this great product at www.hydrogen4health.com. This is Steve, thanks for watching.